Okay, Lenovo Android GPS car player to connect front and rear two-way DVR. This is for T5 version Android player. You got a show for the HD2 streaming app. Press it. So we show for the front and rear camera and reverse. So the two-way DVR, the rear camera can use for the reverse parking camera. Normal. Okay. Front view, you can zoom in. Press again. Front and rear. Okay, press on the bottom for rear view. Reverse. Okay, show for the reverse line. Back to normal. This is for the auto front cam. Sorry, it's not for auto front cam, it's for the DVR front view. Okay, you can choose for the front view or rear view. Okay, go to setting, DVR, video save location. So for Android player, Android GPS player, you got two USB extension. So just insert the USB pen drive, then select the USB pen drive, USB drive for save location. And after record, you can choose for the replay, front view, rear view. The front recorder. And the rear recorder also can use for the rear parking camera, 2-in-1 function. For Alphard, installed by one piece. This is a Lenovo DVR Kit Set. It's got a front camera and a reverse camera and a wiring kits to connect front and rear two-way DVR. Special for Lenovo T5 series, T5 model. Setting about car. Right. Installed by one piece. Video by Andy. Thank you.